Hello, my mini friends out there. So today we are taking class 5 subject English pattern ICSC. So today we are taking the chapter number 7 Maharana Pratap and Chetak. So let's see the Maharana Pratap and his horse Chetak chapter. So let's see the first question of the chapter. You can pause the screen and write the answer quickly. So let's see the first question. Choose the correct. First one, Maharana Pratap was different from the other Rajput kings as he answer is C. Never surrenders to the Mughals. Second one, Maharana Pratap told his soldiers that their task was difficult because answer is C. Many of their own countrymen were help the Mughals. Let's see the third one. Akbar asked Man Singh to meet Rana Pratap and seek his friendship. Answer is B. Maharana Man Singh. Fourth one. Mana placed Rana's helmet on his own head to save him. Answer is B. Mana. Fifth one. Rana's motherland. Answer is D. Chittor remained under Mughal occupation. So we can see the B. Question B first. We can see if there is any grammar question. So first grammar question is you have to identify the adverb, and second is you have to collect the words from the box. So this box they given you and you have to fill in the blanks. So you can pause the screen and write the answer quickly. So here you have to underline the verbs of the sentence, and here you just have to put ed and es in front of the verb. You just say this word loudly to remain, and this you have to complete the story. So you can pause the screen and write the story quickly. I didn't read the story because the video will be too long then. So here you have to add EA and OA in between the words. This word they just give you for the vocabulary, increase your vocabulary. Let's see B. Question B. Think and answer. First one. Why do we remember Maharana Pratap as one of the bravest Indian king to ever live? Answer is Maharana Pratap was very brave because he fought fearlessly against the Mughal army to protect his motherland. He never gave up his freedom and showed great courage and patriotism. Let's see question number 2. There are only 2 questions of the chapter. Second one. How does Chetak rescue Maharana Pratap? What does this tell us about Chetak? Chetak saved Maharana Pratap by carrying him safely away from the battlefields even after being badly injured. This shows that Chetak was loyal, brave, and devout to his master. So thank you so much for watching. We will meet in another video with the chapter number 8. Please do like, share and subscribe.